Hi guys, welcome to my live stream today. It's May 4, 2022 and it's 7:03 p.m. Philippine time. So let's start. So as much as possible, let's make this stream 30 minutes or so. So if you have some questions, then feel free to ask. Feel free to ask here on the TradingView live chat. Though it's also streamed in other platforms, I prefer to answer most of your questions here on TradingView. So let me start first. So I think yesterday not much because the volume is not too much. Because I think the market is the market has been thinking where to go. But yeah, close long position is ape, and I still currently have that. I already adjusted it 10 cents from entry price a while ago. It's 14.45. It's a limit stop because I think it's better for me to use the limit stop here in ApeCoin. And then my TP is just the $24. 24, yeah, because I'm looking a retest here and then possibly retrace a bit before creating a new all-time high. However, let's try to look at it. Currently, the volume is still not much, but we still have 12 hours and 55 minutes before the day close. So I think it will be more or less above the volume average, which is 544 million volume. So anyway, Let's see. And then what else did I trade? I actually trade JASMY. However, I already got stopped out a while ago. Where is it? Oh yeah, there we go. I get stop out at adjusted stop loss that I have entered. Why I trade this? It's because there is a bullish divergence on a daily time frame. So, anyways, and then what else for GMT? I'm actually looking into it. However, since it closed as what's this? As a doji, so I'd rather wait for the confirmation, hopefully, or at least a doji here. So I'll just wait for the next candle to close because if this candle will close as a bullish, then possibly a retest to all-time high. And yeah, let's just see how this close because it's already trading below the point of control of 3.32. So I think as much as possible, yeah, if it close above that, then I might expect a retest to all-time high. However, if it's not or close as a bearish candle, then expect a possible retest below. Below. Wait, did I closed possibly, which is this area. I'm looking at this one, which is the weekly. What's this? Weekly periodic volume around 2.22. So the very key thing is tomorrow. What else? Oh, what was that? Ape. That was a very huge pump a while ago. No? Anyways, let's see. Actually, I was looking into it a while ago if there's some news, but yeah, so far none. Well, I don't know if there is upcoming news that might uh, be coming. So I think that's just it. And what else did I trade? Yeah, I'll. What's this? A GMT. I'm just looking into it, and then yeah, there is a closed, and yeah, I trade ALGO around the 60 around these areas. It's still currently open as you can see here. Actually, the volume over the previous day is not actually that much for the overall market. That's why I'm not trading also too much. Yeah, but this one, it's because of the partnership with Fi- FIFA. FIFA? I, that's why it surged yesterday. So, anyways, so what else was the current? I don't know what's the current trending now. Oh, it's still GMT, Solana, and Pancake Swap. Whoa, what's this? Oh, a new ALGO ApeCoin. So most of them are actually the same. Actually the same. Normally most of them, no. But anyway, let's try. Since I done sharing with mine, maybe let's go over what's this? Yeah, I have one loss now and two open. So anyways, I'm just trying to monitor it because, and I possibly share it at the end of the month. So let's see. There's still a lot of days for me to. Oh, whoa! Yeah, I'm actually watching it. What happened? This was a huge dump. Ang kulit lang yan. Normally, I'm watching the 1 hour. So what was that about? Okay. As you can see, this is actually the monthly periodic volume. It resists on that area. So see, it's nice to know. It's nice to know the different volume profiles. Anyways, so I expect a retest around this area, 15.27. My adjusted stop loss is 14.45, so I hope it will not get stuck out there. I would be very unfortunate if it goes to that area. So anyway, let's see. So I think that was it. Now let's go over to the main BTC. What's happening to BTC? Oh, am I live? Oh, okay. I thought that I thought the voice is off. Where's the BTC? Maybe let's use this one. This. I think this is the nothing much to say. Nothing much to say. Ang kulit lang eh. Yeah. But at least so far it's consolidating. Wait, let me just hide the volume. But still, the volume is not much at the moment. So let's see how it closed today. So far it's a possible bullish engulfing. No? Wait, let me just remove all those drawings so we can just concentrate on the last, just on the last this one. Let me just set a possible bullish engulfing right after the doji. So anyway, let's see how it goes. At least it's seems like already at good support area, which is 37,600. And if you try to look at it, yeah, more or less, yeah, it's previously on that. However, on conservative note, there's a bullish. I think I have discussed that previously. Where was that? Yeah, I think here. That. So I'll try to use the longer or medium term trend support. But we could also use this one. No? Yeah, so sometimes it also changes. No? Anyway, let's see. So maybe you can actually set an alert on this trend line once it goes above that area. So just a few more and then possibly go long. Then this one. So I think that was it. So yeah, I think I'll just set an alert. Though I'm not trading BTC at the moment. But anyway, I might try to what's this? I might try to set an alert on this and I might possibly go long around more or less 39 something. 39 what's this? More or less here. So more or less 39,500 above at least. Once this trend resistance became the support area. So I'll set an alert on that trend line. So possibly let's try to check on it. 48 is my target. That's the conservative target, but I think it could be higher. Normally I'm that, and yeah, possibly it's a good trade if ever it continues to trade and break this current resistance area. So anyway, let's see. So stop loss around 36 900 area. Entry around the 39,500 with TP around 48,000. But yeah, I'll just set an alert on this one because at the moment it did not yet break the resistance area. But yeah, you can already see this one, the previous bullish one. But I think it's already been a few days now since we saw this bullish divergence, if I'm not mistaken. So what else could I say? Nothing much to BTC. Currently, I'm accumulating some altcoins. Did I share? Yeah, I think I just um what's this? I just take one ledger a few days ago. I think yesterday or the last time I streamed. I think I shared that one. And then what else did I do? Yeah. I also remember this one. This one. Wait, let's go to that watching Perpetual. Though I did not trade the GMT Perpetual, I trade the spot one. I bought around 330 something. So yeah, it's not the perpetual because I'll be waiting for the confirmation of the daily closed. So check 8 please. Good evening. Just open your stream. Just 8. Yeah, it's yeah. I just saw it a while ago, just a few hours. No, it's actually a pump, and then they dump a bit of it. Wait, I don't know what time frame you're using, but yeah, I re-entered at 14. What's that? Yeah, I just used one 1435. I re-entered that, and a few days. Yeah, I've been entering longs. Why? Why did I entering longs? Because I'm expecting that this will be the. If you look at the daily, I'm expecting that this will be the support area. That's why you can see over the previous days there's a lot of longs over there. And it's currently trending, or I mean trading above the point of control, which is 13.92. I think in my opinion, as long as it hold above this point of control 13.92, of course my bias is for it to retest the previous high 24, and then possibly a pull back a bit before it will create a new all-time high, which is retest or retesting this trend resistance, creating a new all-time high. That's my opinion. However, if it goes lower than 13.92, expect a possible retest to 10.60. But my bias here is, of course, going long. Yeah, actually, the volume is almost the average. So I think since it's supported with a good volume, then possibly it might continue. However, we still have 12 hours and 43 minutes before the daily candle will close. So I think at current volume of 454.63 million, and the volume average is just 549. So I really expect it good volume to end on a daily, on the daily, what's this, on the daily candle, daily closed. However, on the 1 hour, if you're I have a lot of I actually put it because normally I'm using the 1 hour as a time frame for my scalps, and I mean swing trades. Oh, so as you can see here, it actually break the 65, the RSI. However, it break down. So I think at the moment I'll just wait a bit. Wait a bit. They already have my position. It's just that Yeah, I'm trying to check if there's a possible. There's been quite a lot. Maybe let me just delete it a bit. Oh, this one. I actually have an alert. I think this is just the one that I have alert now. If I'm not mistaken, the only 8 coin. Anyway, let me just remove it. Might. I don't know what happened for that. Cause a while ago I'm checking the news, or their what's this Twitter if there's some news. However, there is none. Hmm. Yeah, I think with this possible retest to our support area, which is I'm currently looking at this one, the RSI around 50, or possibly around these areas of 15, 21, which is that is actually the volume profile for the week. There's already quite a lot of fun. Wait, let me just. We already have a lot of. Sorry. We already have a lot of. What's this? But since it's a good volume, then I expect a retest to this previous resistance, or yeah, it just um, retested a while ago, which is the 17.32. However, since it's currently doing around 16, then expect a possible retest to this current periodic volume. I'm looking at 1521. I hope it will not. Yeah, that was just a sudden, what's this? A sudden pump talaga eh. Yeah, so I hope it will not go to that area. Ang kulit lang eh. Yeah, even this oh. So you can actually set an alert on that. While me, yeah, I already adjusted mine. So, but I hope I will not get stuck at 10 cents from that entry price. Mm, I'm currently looking around $24. Wait, let me just. So it will gonna. Sorry. So I think that was it. I think that just a simple one. So let's see how this will close. As long yeah, my opinion is that as long as it holds above the point of control of 13.92, then my bias will be continue or reversal of this downtrend. And as you can see, there is a higher volume than yesterday, and it's already approaching the volume or average volume. So anyway, let's see. Yeah, because there's a been a dump a bit, a dump a bit. Yeah, because it's that was sudden. It went up as this, no, around 17 something. It went as high as 1764, and then there's a sudden profit taking. So anyway, let's see, which is the previous high. So this is the previous high, and it's currently resist on that high also. So there's actually two supports here. Of course, normally there's two supports, the trend support, and of course the horizontal support. So for the trend support, it's actually trading above it, that trend support, just a few cents above it. Yeah, because the immediate for horizontal supports, that's the point of control, which is 13.92. So I hope it break again this 17.58 resistance, immediate resistance area I'm looking at, which is more or less this previous, just the May 2 candle. So yeah, you can actually set an alert on this. Maybe I'll just set an alert also on this. Maybe just once per bar. And another this, oh, if that would happen, hmm, I think it will close my position already if it goes below 13.92. So I think that's just it. I'll just use that alert. And with a good volume. So anyway, let's see how it goes. 1 hour. This is sudden dump. Yeah, I think almost the same with the daily, no? Almost the same. In my opinion. Wow, that was a huge already dump, no? What? It just went as high as this one and then dump 74. Okay, okay. Possibly 35 minutes before it closes. Let me just look at the 15 minutes. Ang kulit ko lang eh. Yeah, that was really a strong resistance at 1758. So yeah, I think yeah, just that's the immediate resistance I'm looking at. Expect a retest to this. Else, then might possibly very bad, a very bad if it closes at this point of control of 13.92. Hmm. Yeah, it's still, but it's with volume. Eh. So far I'll just possibly for confirmation, of course, on conservative note. I'll wait for the close of that daily candle, because once it closes up as a bullish engulfing, then expect a continuation or a reversal already from that downtrend and creating a new uptrend. So anyway, let's see na lang. Wala na akong masabi. Elon Musk tweet about ape. Somebody says somebody. Oh, maybe. Oh, thanks for that. So maybe that was it. It's because, however, yeah, remember what happened to, what's that? To Dogecoin last time. I didn't trade it, but yeah, I think what happened last time. It's not on my perpetual list if I'm not mistaken. So, diba? There's a huge spike and then and then after that, it went lower. So fundamentally, I'd rather look at it on the fundamental side and with the good volume, hopefully that ends. Kasi minsan it's I don't know, some influencers just tweet and then sudden their followers will just follow it and then until you until you remain at the top. Ang palit lang eh. So anyway, yeah, but hopefully it does hold at above the point of control, because if it does, then expect really a reversal of the trend and creating a new uptrend. So for now, though I have long position, yeah, I think let's just always be trade cautiously. Always trade cautiously, Yeah, let me just check it. Like for example, if I'm gonna trade this one at the moment, so more or less that would be my possible entry, and then stop stop loss stop loss more or less just below it. I'll not wait for the 1060, just below the point of control. So at least it's still more or less still attractive regardless of regardless of tweets. So anyway, but I think it's a good thing then, because it's now having good volume. So anyway, let's see what else. What else can we look at? Just. Oh, what's that currently trending? Solana. What happened to Solana? I've been not trading it over a couple of days. Where was that? Oh, so Sol, what happened here? I did not trade it. I did not trade it. But if ever, I'm already at a loss, no? Because I should have had entered at 94 and still holding, no? Still holding above that stop loss of mine. Anyways, let me just remove that. I'm just trying to. Oh, there's none. Just that. So we're gonna use this one as our support area where the bullish divergence have shown. So more or less 77 or 78. Retest the previous support, ano? Imagine breakout and then retesting this one. As you can see, I think this is already a very strong support area, the 77. Because you can see there's a monthly and at the same time a weekly periodic volume. So they're almost closed. Check, check. Dun, 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 dun. What's the... Wait, let me just check. Oh, it's already been below the point of control of 93. So, well, I'm gonna use that as immediate resistance, the 93. Breakout, and then possibly this area around close to 110 and that 140. I think that was just it for now. Because I think the volume is not much, if I'm not mistaken. See, the volume is actually not it's not strong enough. It's the volume average is 324 million and it's just doing around 84. Though we still have 12 hours and 28 minutes, I think if it's really going to reverse this downtrend, at least should have volume. So I think for now I think I'd rather not trade this and might possibly wait at 77 or 78 support area. There's a very thin volume. So anyways, let's see how it goes. So the immediate support I'm looking at 78. Immediate resistance at point of control or 93. Breakout to that, the 110 to possibly 138. So however, I don't know if it's possible it will break this 70 something and then expect a much lower support. I think 46. I think it's not. I think it's less likely in my opinion. So I think that's just it. I'm looking at least around these areas. at 70 plus levels as a good support, and it's already approaching the oversold area. So anyway, let's see. I think it still depends on how any news for that GMT. GMT, I don't think there's no. I don't think there is. No, I did not check it. I just checked ApeCoin a while ago. Anyways, let's check on it. This is just a few promotions and Chinese something. Yeah, you can just always check on their social medias if there is any. There's a latest improvement. Yes. This is May 2. Look up the currency. Yeah, of course, they should have to improve their um, user experience, of course. So I think not much, but I don't know if this one double minting. Yeah, because I'm not. I'm I'm not moved to earn. I trade, but currently I don't have any shoe or NFT shoebox. So I think nothing much. Nothing much naman. Except for just a few, what's this, promotions. Whoa, what's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Where is it? Though it's part of my plan to at least become healthy. Healthy. currently, currently I don't have any NFTs. Any ape analysis, I think we're done with it. Yeah, someone have said that there's Elon Musk tweet about ApeCoin. That's why it went higher. However, as you can see, it's already uh, correcting a bit. But if you look at the volume, it's actually very huge. It's almost close to the volume average. So I think as long as it holds above the point of control of 13.82, or at least this trend above this trend uh, support area, then expect a possible reversal of this downtrend and creating a new uptrend. So anyway, let's see how it goes. So I'm looking at 13.92 as support, immediate resistance at its previous high, 17.58. Breakout to that, possibly retest to 24 to all-time high and maybe creating a new all-time high. However, my bias here, it might continue to trend to it might reverse and create a new trend, which is uptrend. That's my own opinion personally. So anyway, let's see. Well, I do have long positions here. However, I open it on a very low price because normally you can see me trading, or I'm using a 1 hour time frame, and I entered around 14 something, and I already adjusted my stop loss 10 cents from my entry price. Whoa, if it goes below 14, what's that? 14.45. I'm 14.35. 14.45. If it closed my position, wow, that's very bad. That's very bad. Oh, kulit lang. So anyway, nag ano lang sila, no? Yeah, I should have changed my stop loss to market trading stop. I did not expect it a very huge dump right after. But anyway, let's see if this holds. The next hour will be a very key here. So anyway. So yun lang masasabi ko to this one. Ang pangit eh. But yeah, I don't like it to close with a very high, or a very this very high wick. Hopefully it's close above really, or create a bullish engulfing. Anyway, let's see. Kasi hindi ko rin alam kung ano mangyayari dyan. So, let's just wait and see. Yeah, It's actually been selling off, no? Right after, no? Whoa. It's actually be terrible if, diba? It will engulf this bullish candle. So I hope it will not. But anyway, you can just watch it and maybe just set an alert on the trend resistance. I mean trend, yeah. Currently it's trend. What's this? It's already trend resistance and support, no? Because currently trading within that. So you can just set an alert on that. Also try to set an alert at point of control 13.92 and 17.58. So I think that's just it. It depends on how it closes tomorrow. But I hope, yeah, just a bit pullback, and then it will hopefully it will continue its or create a new trend from here. However, I just really don't like how the previous R or this current R is happening. No, there's actually a huge sell off right after. So anyway, let's. I'll just wait for the next hour or so. Ape. Oh, GMT any news? Wala akong nakitang news for it eh. Grabe, ang laki kasi ng spike niya kasi kanina. Tapos biglang bawi, ano? Ang kulit lang nitong 8 na to eh. And it's already 37 minutes. So what did I just discuss? I think just my few of my trades and then BTC and what else? I think that's just it, no? We haven't touched anything more. Pero share ko na lang si ApeCoin. Ayan, here. I'm actually looking at this. Um, there's actually a lot of we did not look at the okay. The session volume is also close to that point of control, so I think we'll really use that as our strong support area. So the low here is 1385 and the low here is 14. So at least it's higher low, no? And higher high hopefully. Higher high. Higher high naman eh. But yeah, it will really depends on how this closed. But so far, I think yung bias ko it might possibly um create a new trend or going up na siya. So, tignan na lang natin. Wala na akong masabi dyan. Though binabantayan ko siya, tas bukas kasi I'm out. So, I might possibly not trade it. That's why I already adjusted my stop loss. So, what else? Sorry. Buti na lang nakalagaw to. Kala ko na ano. So, I think yun lang. If you don't have any more questions, then I might end this stream. If you don't have questions, then I will end this stream. Yeah, because I'm also watching the market so far. I don't know if I'll try to scalp this 8 coin. Yun nga lang kasi maaga kami bukas eh. So, sayang na. So, check na lang natin. Check ko na lang kapag may time. Done. So, I think that was it, guys. So, thank you very much for tuning in. See you again next time. What's happening to that? Let me just look at this one.